You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen. But what do you call the most famous reindeer of all? Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, had a very shiny nose like a light bulb. And if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. Doopity-doo. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names like Pinocchio. They never let poor Rudolph join any reindeer games like Monopoly. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, "Ho, ho, ho, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight?" Then how the reindeer loved him, loud cry, as they shouted out with glee, "Yippee! Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history like George Washington."